Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to delete your iPhone and start over. So step one, go to settings, my bad, go to settings, and then from this general page, scroll down to the bottom and click on transfer or reset iPhone. After that, click on erase all content and settings. And as you see, you are now erasing your or erasing will sign out of your Apple account and remove your personal data. So this iPhone can be safely traded in or given away. The following items will be safely removed from this iPhone, like apps and data. In my case, it is over than 17 gigabytes, my Apple account, and also find my iPhone. Of course, I will not click on continue to avoid because I'm not going to erase, I'm not going to start over. So click on this blue button and follow the process. And this is how to delete your iPhone and start over. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.